Obedience means when you like listen to your parents in one voice.
Wow! Can you clap our hands for this? Thank you so much. What's your name?
John.
Okay, thank you so much. Receive your gift tomorrow. And also come here. Little girl. Okay, use the mic.
Obedience is when you listen to God.
Wow! Let's clap our hands for it first. Thank you so much. I have a gift also for you tomorrow. Okay, obedience. They said it well, okay? Obedience also is doing the right thing and doing it right away and doing it with a happy heart. Can you repeat with me? Obedience is doing the right thing, doing it right away, and doing it with a happy heart. Okay? Today, as we can see, you have heard about the heavy rain and floods that happen in the Philippines. You know about flood? Yes. Storm. Some streets have water like a river. So some people use boats so that they can go to school and go their errands. Floods can be scary. Okay? It can be so scary. Have you experienced flood? Yes. Do you like it? No way. You know what? Children, listen closely. A long, long time ago, God spoke to a man named Noah. And God said, Noah, something is coming. What is that? A great rain. Have you seen a great rain? It's like a perfect storm. Wow. So scary. And there are thunder. But don't be afraid. God said to Noah, build a big boat, an ark. Okay. Have you seen a big boat? Yes. Okay. No. God said, just obey. You know what? Obedience to God means listening and doing it right away. There should be no delays. There should be no excuses. With a happy heart. If you don't obey right away, that is disobedience. It's not good. So, when you obey God, when you obey your parents, you should have a happy heart. When you do helping them, your parents, mamaya nyo ako pag ginanong ko. Yun! When you help your parents, clean the house, you should have a happy heart. Sino dito ang nakasimangot pag nagtutulong kay mommy and daddy? Oh, bakit kayo nakasimangot? You should always smile and say to your mommy, I will help you, mommy. I will do it gladly. Also, you have to obey your teachers. Ellen White says, the first lesson should be obedience. It's not science, it's not math, it's not language, it's not anything that you can learn, but obedience. You know how to obey? How to obey? Do it, do the right thing, do it right away, and do it with a happy heart. When you obey, every time you obey, You are walking with Jesus. But if you disobey, what will happen? If you bully, if you don't listen to your parents, your teacher, you're covering your ears. Can you cover your ears? Don't do that if mommy and your parents is telling you something. That is a bad attitude. Okay? You should listen. And part of obedience is to listen. Do you know how to listen? Okay, everybody knows how to listen. When you listen, stop holding your phone, stop looking to your phone, and look in the eyes of your teacher, and your parents, and your grandparents, and listen attentively. Because if you disobey, what will happen? You are walking with Satan, the evil one. Satan wants you to disobey. Satan wants you to not to listen. And God does not happy about it. So, God said, bring your family, bring the animals, because I will keep you safe. When you obey, you are safe. Some people laugh at Noah. You know how to laugh? Ha 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 ha. When God says something, when your parents says something, and your mommy or daddy, do not laugh at them. Just smile and say, I am willing to listen and obey you. Okay? Then what happened? Noah believed God and he obeyed. He built the ark, hammer by hammer, piece by piece, day by day, until one day the clouds grew dark. Wow! This is the cloud that grew dark. It's so scary, you know? When you disobey God, something is about to happen. And that is not good. The clouds grew dark and it rained how many days? 40 days and how many nights? 40 nights. But Noah and his family were safe because God kept His promise. You know what? When you obey God, there's a promise. When you obey your parents, when you obey your teachers, there's a promise that you will be safe. If you disobey, there might be an accident, there might be sadness, and that is not good for you as a kid. Because Noah obeyed completely, his family and animals were all safe inside the ark. Obedience brings God's protection and blessings. You want protections? You want blessings? You want to obey Jesus? Praise the Lord. Good morning and thank you so much.